Hello my friends, it's Tarzan, Lord of the Jungle, with our bottle flipping challenge. I hope you've got your 3 bottles. If you haven't got 3, 1's okay. Just make sure you go up and ask your parents to fill up with a little bit of water. Put a little bit of heaviness in the bottom, whether it's half, whether it's a little. We want to see and judge what the best bottle is and how much water you need to make it more effective when you do flip it. So, when you flip, ladies and gentlemen, and children out there, make sure you stand up and you flip up. Don't go too high because you'll be inside and hit the roof. If you're outside, don't do it too high either because it won't land. Well, I don't think so anyway. You've got a better chance of landing it if you do it softly and controlled. Okay? So do that. Flip it up. Make sure it stands. Now, you've got a game to play. 3 times you can flip it. If you don't get it to land, you've got to do push-ups or squats, whatever you want to do. Do a plank, hold it for 10 seconds, a push-up, maybe 5 of them, or some squats, maybe 5 of those as well. You can go up against your friend too, have a flip, see if you get it, next person has a go, next person has a go, first person to get it wins. Then you play rounds and see how you go from there. Hope you enjoyed that one. Keep playing. Remember, the water is the key. Okay? The next activity is coming up right after these messages. So the second part of the bottle flipping challenge is with the towel. Towel is nice and flat. That's your target. The bigger the target, the easier it is. You can fold it up as I'm going to show you in the video. But the next part of it is to actually flip the bottle onto the towel. So what you're looking to do is to see the distance, the height, and the strength of your throw to try and get it on the towel, but also can you get it to stand up on the towel? It's going to be harder as you step back, and you have to also work out whether the water in the bottle is affecting that throw. So it's a lot of things you can think about. You can also set up a small game, similar to darts I reckon, but it's a lot safer where everyone has a throw, tries to get it on, you might get some points, or maybe you have to do an exercise when you're finished, okay? Or you don't get it on, something to that degree, whatever you want to do. You make it up. You come up with a creative way to make this game even more fun than what it is. Okay, so remember, fold the towel up. Thank you so much for being involved in our bottle flipping challenge. Andy Hare, you inspired me to be Tarzan. Over to you, my friend. I want to see you in another costume with some of your awesome activities. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you soon.